how to add a bank account to your PayPal. So first you got to go to paypal.com and then click on wallet from the top bar. Now you want to click on link a bank, which is this button here. And then you will need to select the account type, whether it's checking, saving, and then enter your IBAN number or account number. And then you basically select your currency. In certain countries, you might not be able to select or have this option here. And then you will usually need to enter the account routing number or the SWIFT code. And if you're asked, you'll also need to enter your phone number and your billing address and the name on your banking or your bank account, exactly how it appears on your bank statement. And once you've entered all the information, you can click on link your bank. Or if you have a US bank instead, you can click there and just enter these requested infos right here. And once you've entered everything, you will need to click on link your bank. And your bank should be linked and verified by PayPal. They should send you a small deposits, usually 2 deposits, I'm not sure. You should receive them within 3 business days. And then you will need to come back to your PayPal and just enter the small deposits that you've received from PayPal just to verify the ownership of this bank account. And once it's verified, you can start using your bank account with your PayPal. That's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.